What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we are going to be playing Fortnite duos, like any other day. And right now, guys, I am on PC. 61 friends online. If you look at the top right corner. Today, guys, we will be playing Fortnite duos. Why am I saying that again? All right, so I don't know why, but like I'm cracked at this game. I mean, I haven't played for a while, but like I am cracked. So, what the heck is going on? So not. Okay, you can't sing that, Trevor. It's gonna be copyright. You can't sing that. But still, you humming. They don't. Okay, guys, don't report us for copyright. Or you like men? If you're a boy, you like men. If you're a girl, you're lesbian. So I wouldn't. Oh, that was probably offensive. Oh no, I hope we don't lose subscribers now. We don't lose subscribers. That was. I don't know if I did or not. That's offensive. That's a. It's probably gonna go to 0. Oh my gosh. Most likely 0. Alright, so where are we landing? Frick. Dude, just hurry up and crap poop. But what? Alright, just go to gas station. I don't care what I said. Go to gas station. Whew. Go to gas station. Trevor, I got kids on me all over the place. There's like actually 30 kids on me, I'm not gonna lie. Frick. Oh my gosh, can I grab a weapon? Oh, blue shotgun. Frick, I fell. Gray shotgun. Yeah, gray shotgun. We have enough mats. I have enough mats to get up there? You have enough mats to get up there. Yes. I didn't even pick it up. Alright, there we go. I don't know if it's recording my audio or not. I can't tell. Frick. Oh, there's an ammo free ammo boxes, boys. And guys, if you get mad at me for not picking up the gold, as you can see, I taught in my right corner where you see my mats and everything. You can tell that I'm kind of full here, so don't get mad at me if I don't pick up stuff. Can I stand still? What the? I'm trying. Alright, yeah, I'd rather do YouTube videos because I get more views for it. Wait, they don't. Hold on. They don't drop anything? Do you have to open them regularly? I didn't think you had to. Okay. Oh, I got a pizza. Alright, Trevor, I got pizza. You're streaming on Twitch while I'm streaming a YouTube video. They just won't let you. You have to connect your YouTube channel to your PlayStation. Oh! God chest. Oh, purple stinger! Let's go. Also, it had. How much gold was that? How much gold is that? Alright, I gotta pick up everything out of the way. Here, Trevor, here's 26 gold for you. Come here. 26 gold for you. It can only be 15 minutes long, so we gotta rush kids fast. I don't know why, but this app I'm using only 15 minutes long. But I don't feel like having the app that takes me 3 hours to set up. So, okay, kids outside. Okay. Actually, I'm not gonna have Trevor, where are you? I'm coming to you. I'm coming to the car. Oh, there's probably a chest. Well, first I'm probably gonna go. Trevor, of course you're a laginator, bro. That's all you do is lag. Of course you're an impression of the laginator. That's all you can do is lag. I don't want to hit the inside right there. I have to though. Hey, Trevor, what just happened? I don't know what just happened, but my game just went. Whoop. It's fine, Trevor. Remember what I said? If they report me for copyright, you know what happens? Remember? So I'm just gonna carry the shield keg and the minis to you by. Oh, frick! It's glitched. Trevor's gonna be poop water. Trevor, get over here to me. Where are you? You're 893 meters from me. I'm keeping the shield cake for the minis. I'm coming. I'm not listening to the radio right now. I got a Lamborghini coming to you. Should have threw off-road tires on it, but I didn't. Don't know yet because it's not a live stream. I could stream on YouTube right now if I wanted to. I'm pretty sure. Just don't want to. Hmm. Oh, I just grab these cranberries. I'd do it if I were you. That's pretty cool. Wow, it's just enough. Alright, where's Clomby Boy? I'm just gonna throw these all over the place and have Clomby Boy. There you go. Those all over the place. Grab Clomby Boy. Oh, what? Wait, bro. Wait, what's his? I didn't. I said land at the gas station. You're the one that landed so far away. I had my marker right on gas station, but you decided to go and go clear over there. I'm coming to you, my Lamborghini, bro. Go Lambo. Wait, wouldn't that be copyright? Wouldn't that be copyright? Wait, dude, isn't that copyright showing? Oh, there he is. Is he still in that semi truck? Are you good? You good? Oh no, he's in the semi truck still. I don't even notice. Oh, he's out. He's out. He's out. 30 what? 30 blue? 30 blue? Okay, I'm rushing with the car. I'm getting him in the car. I want to go hit him with the car. Trevor, I got a shield keg for you. I want to go rush him first. I want to hit him with the car. Of course, my players are real because I'm not a bot. But Trevor's not a bot either, so. I don't know if you guys can hear him or not. Oh, he's right here. Ooh. Oh, there's two of them. No, there ain't. I'm good, bro. Look at this bot. Look at this bot. Look at this bot. Back up. Back up. Destroy the car. Destroy the car. Destroy the car. He's still in it. Is he dead? Back up. Back up. Back up. He's dead. Oh, frick. Avoid, 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 avoid. Trevor, come here. Isn't it Trevor? Oh! Isn't it like Trevor15364? Alright, let me have the loot. I don't want the... Trevor, there, take that. Go to that first. Go to that first. You need shield. If there's any shield over here, I'll grab it. I'll get it for you. There isn't, of course. Like any other day. I can't pick up the gold because I got 5,000. I want the dub bad, but I can't ever find a chest when I get it. What the heck, bro? Why is my game glitching like that? Is anyone here? No, there isn't. How are you so low? Go do that med kit. Sorry, guys. Go back up, back. What the heck just... Oh. I forgot that they do that. I forgot that they bounce and go back down and hit you. Oh, I found some free loot. What is that? Oh, pizza. Oh, front kids shoot. Wait a minute. I thought I just heard a green AR, bro. I thought... I'm not kidding, Trevor. I think someone stored their tent with the green AR. I thought I just heard green AR from Chapter 2 Season 8. I'm throwing a flare gun because there's a kid here. I know there is. He's literally right here. Where's he at? Oh. Oh, there's a bot. There's a bot. It's about power. We stay hungry. Wait, did he even mark anybody? There he is. Oh, wow. He's one shot. No, it's not. You can say YouTube in your YouTube video because what's up, guys? I'm back in another video. That's not... No, it's fine. The Walk Dwayne Johnson, if you copyright us, you need help. You good? Or you got a kid on you? Or alright, bet. Why is this lobby so body? Like we're bodying the whole, why is this lobby so much full of bots right now? Oh crap. Where's the kid at? Cause he's gonna pay the price. What the heck is? Okay, I want to find where this kid is, cause he's not. Oh, he's on you. Wow, that kid poop. All right, you take Spider-Man. Think I got purple shotgun. I'm gonna do this so I don't get sniped. I don't feel like building. I don't feel like building a box right now, cause I am low on mats. Even though I'm like 600, 700 mats right now. Even though I'm low. All right, pop that shield keg. Pop shieldy. Pop shield. Actually, first, no. Don't eat that. Don't use the shield keg first. Eat that. Eat the pizza. Don't throw the shield keg. Eat the pizza. It'll get you full to 50 HP. Wait. It goes. I can't break the pizza. Well, I might as well take two. Oh, crap, 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 crap. Wow, bot mania right here. Actually, bot mania. Kid with mythic. He's swinging. Where's that gun? Kid up here, kid up here. He's got mythic. Cracked him 90. Knocked him. Another kid behind him. Frick. Trevor. Okay, I'm grabbing the other mythic. I gotta grab the mythic. I'm sorry. I have to. There's a kid over there. I gotta rush. Do you got a mythic or no? There's a kid rezzing. It's been more than 10 seconds. He's back up now. He's knocked. One knocked. Dead. Dead. Victory crown. Take the gold loot. I don't care. Take the gold loot. There's another one. Another one victory crown. Another victory crown. Purple stinger. This kid's stacked on loot. And yes, guys, I am OG. Well, that's not the OG. Laugh it up, but I am OG, by the way. I'm gonna eat a clonberry. There's 6. Here. Take 3. Is that better than a blue? I don't think. Alright, we both got victory crowns, alright? Bet. You got. Okay, I don't think I can have heals right now. Because I got mythic and everything. Are the kids up over the hill? Trevor? Copyright? Oh, we got boss. We got boss fighting. Boss fighting. Boss fighting. I can't even hit my snipes. One knocked? Hey. Bro, stop. I'm trying to... Stop dodging my snipes, Mr. Dodge Snipes. He's dead. Just don't go for his loot. Don't go for his loot. Technically it is, because you're saying the name of the game, which without permission from him. Cracked a 90, crack 190, crack 190. Dead. Oh my, there's 3. I have 7 kills. I'm rocking this. Alright, wait, what's in here? Oh, the free loot. Wait, 78 and 80. I got another free mythic. I had to shape my... What the... Oh my gosh, kids. Stop. Stop. Go to circle. We have to go to circle, like, right now. I can't. I'm currently making... Oh, no. No. I think it stopped. I think it stopped. Dang it, the match is more than... You need it, because you're... Hold on.